Is this the PC case of your dreams? The Lian O11D EVO RGB aims to be just that, blending stunning aesthetics with incredible versatility. Right off the bat, the seamless view is a winner. Lian removed the front support pillar, giving you an unobstructed look at your components. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Size matters, and the O11D EVO RGB delivers. It's an EATX case with plenty of room for beefy graphics cards, up to 455.7 long. 7 expansion slots mean you can load it up with all the hardware you need. The RGB lighting is tastefully done. 2 subtle L-shaped strips run along the top and bottom of the tempered glass panels. They're easy to control and add a touch of flair without being over the top. But it's not just about looks. This case is designed for builders. The motherboard can be installed at 2 different heights, giving you options for fan and cooler placement. Cable management is also a breeze, thanks to Velcro straps and dual-layered clips. The PSU mounting bracket even protrudes a bit to give you extra room to work with. The O11D EVO RGB supports up to a 420 radiator, so cooling performance shouldn't be an issue. It's clear Lian thought of everything when designing this case. Available in black, this mid-tower case uses tempered glass and supports a rear-mounted power supply. It's compatible with 140mm fans, giving you plenty of options for airflow. Overall, the Lian O11D EVO RGB is a fantastic case. It's spacious, easy to build in, and looks amazing. If you're looking for a premium case that can handle high-end components and show them off in style, this is definitely one to consider. It might just be the ultimate PC case.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.